Hello everyone, my name is Geeta Salunke. I am Assistant Professor in Department of ENTC Engineering at AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. Today I am going to explain choppers, that is DC to DC converters of power electronics. Chopper is a static device. In chopper, a variable DC voltage is obtained from a constant DC voltage source, also known as DC to DC converter, and it is widely used for motor control. Also used in regenerative braking, choppers offer greater efficiency, faster response, lower maintenance, smaller size, and smooth control. The choppers are of two types, step-down chopper and step-up chopper. In case of step-down chopper, output voltage is less than input voltage, and in step-up chopper, output voltage is more than input voltage. Now we'll see principle of step-down chopper. This is the circuit diagram for step-down chopper. The device is used as a switch. Supply voltage V is given and we are taking output voltage across load, a step-down chopper with resistive load. The switch can be realized by any power device. It is assumed that switch is ideal. When switch is on, supply voltage appears across the load for T on second, and when switch is off, the voltage across the load will be 0 for T of second. Means when switch is on, we'll get output voltage V across load, and when switch is off, we'll get output voltage, that is V out, across load resistor is 0. And this is the waveform for output current, that is V by R. Consider VDC is the average output voltage across load. IDC is average value of output current. T on is the time interval for which switch conduct. T off is the time interval for which switch is off. So T equal to T on plus T off. It means period of switching or chopping period. And frequency F equal to 1 by T, that is frequency of chopper switching or chopping frequency. The average output voltage VDC equal to V into T on divided by T on plus T off. So it is equal to V into T on divided by total time period T. So it is equal to V into D. D is nothing but duty cycle T on divided by T. And the average output current is given as IDC equal to VDC divided by R. It is nothing but V by R into T on divided by T. That is nothing but V by R into D. And the RMS value of output voltage V out equal to under root 1 by T integration from 0 to T on V out square dt. But during T on, V out equal to V. Therefore, RMS output voltage V out equal to under root 1 by T integration from 0 to T on V square dt. So V out equal to under root V square by T into T on, that is equal to under root T on divided by T into V. So V out equal to under root D into V. And the output power P out equal to V out into I out, but I out equal to V out divided by R. So output power P out equal to V out square divided by R. That is nothing but P out equal to dV square divided by R. And effective input resistance of chopper is given as Ri equal to V divided by IDC. So Ri equal to R by D. The output voltage can be varied by varying the duty cycle. This is the waveform for different value of duty cycle. In first case, duty cycle is less, and in second case, duty cycle is more. According to the duty cycle, we will get the output voltage V out equal to D into V. This is about the chopper. Thank you.